Hi, welcome and thank you for watching this video. My name is Adrian Schill. I'm a LinkedIn coach and I'm going to do something in this video, hopefully in about 10 minutes, that will help you get your profile into the top 3% of profiles on LinkedIn, probably less than 3% actually, and help you show up in more searches, get more views on your profile, and ultimately have more people engage with your profile and want to take that next step to working with you and becoming a client. So let's not waste time. Let's go over right now to my desktop and let's get started. So here's ChatGPT and I'm using the paid version. And if you go click here, you can explore GPTs here. And if you type in LinkedIn, then a bunch of GPTs come up here, all different ones. And there's one here called LinkedIn. It's got a bit of a typo there, which is a bit strange. Profile Optimizator. Now, there's probably more in here, but I generally use the ones that have, quite a few thousand downloads already. And I definitely check the ratings that they get. And it's a bit slow today for some reason, but oh, there you go. This one gets a 4.2. So anything more than a 4 generally is good. Anything less than a 4, I generally steer clear of. But this one is fine. It's over 10K and 4.2 rating. So it's all good. So you can just click on download that or start a chat or whatever it is. Okay, so I've already got it. Actually, I'll just do it. I'll do it now and click on start chat. There you go. So I'll use this window here. Now let's go back to the instructions. Right, so that's the first thing. Now, if you don't have the paid version, by the way, it's fine. You can just skip that step and just be aware that it might take you a bit, a bit of back and forth to get chat to really do what you want it to. And, you may need to give it more prompts and more directions, but it will still give you great results. Just take a bit longer. Excuse me. So next step is to edit the following prompt, putting your own stuff in here. So only stuff you've got to change in blue. So enter your specific ideal client description here, and then enter the goal they're trying to reach here. And I'll show you an example in a minute. Then it says, please give me feedback in the following areas and give me a 0 to 10 rating in all of them. So how catchy is my headline? Is it clear to a potential client? All right, so headline, the about section, the experience section, and then the skills section, right? And then ask for an overall rating of the profile. And then after the evaluation, give me some suggestions for improving all that stuff. And then stick to these rules here. So use LinkedIn SEO keywords, make sure the first line is always a hook, and then keep to my style of writing, all right? So this is my example. So as a potential client, in this case, a coach, consultant, or service provider, and this is what they're trying to do, needs to generate leads and create sales to enroll clients into their product, services, or programs. Then give me blah, blah, blah. That's all the same, right? So this is what you would do for yourself. All right, then step 3 is to copy and paste the 4 sections of your profile into the same chat thread using the downloaded GPT. If you did that, so I'm going to do that right now. So let me just copy and paste this and I'll show you what you want to do. And I would advise doing this in a document, because if you do it in chat, sometimes you got to remember to press shift before you hit enter if you want to do a line return. It's a bit of a pain, so I always kind of put it in a document first. So this is how it would look. I'll just put this in quotation marks so you know that it's one thing, and then say here's my headline, right? And then you go and copy your headline from LinkedIn, and I've already got my profile open, right? So we'll go back there. Let me just copy it like that. Okay. Here's my about section. Oops. Go and find my about section. Copy and paste that. Copy and paste that. Put that in there. Here's my experience. And then we're just going to copy and paste just the latest experience. You can copy more in if you want to. That's up to you. But I'm just going to do this one. Copy that. Paste it into there. And then find the skills. Now skills will paste a little bit strangely. But don't worry about that, because chat will figure that out. Go down to my skills. Where are they? Here we go. Skills. So show all 46 and just scroll all the way down. All the way down. Keep going down. Stop there. Copy all of that and Shift Control V. Right, so you'll see there's some funny things there, but don't worry about it. There's no need, you know, it copies things in twice and that kind of stuff, but don't worry about it. Chat will figure that out, okay? So it's ready to go. Now that's a lot of stuff to copy and paste into GPT, but that's fine. It can handle it. So I'm just going to copy and paste all of that, put it back into chat, and there you go. Copy. I'll just put the closing parentheses around that. All right, let's go back to chat. And all right, so I always, I'm very polite and very friendly with chat. Now that sounds crazy, but it will give you better results. It will give you better search results. Sorry about that. And it does make a difference. Probably because it's trying to emulate human behavior. And if you're nice to humans, they're generally nice and more helpful and friendly back. So hi chat, can you please help me optimize my LinkedIn profile? And it will reply, hopefully say yes. There you go. All right, we can ignore all the stuff that it's saying here, but I'm basically going to paste everything in there. All right, I'm going to get rid of the opening parentheses there. So just paste it all in there and say, okay, please act as a, and then the rest is all the same. So let's just do that and see what it comes back with. Okay, so it's given me an 8 out of 10 for my headline. It tells me what the strengths are, how I could improve it. So it could be more SEO optimized. So this is really great feedback, right? The about section gets a 9 out of 10. It tells me what the strengths are, how I could improve it. And then it gives me some very specific improvements, okay? And it's going to keep going like this. Experience section is a bit weak, look, 7 out of 10. So I'll definitely take some feedback on this. And what you can do is take this feedback, update it, and then plug it back in. Now, if you want it to completely rewrite sections for you, you can have it do that, but just be very, very wary of the things that say, go through it with a double check it all, basically. All right, so that's it. So based on the feedback, edit your profile accordingly, and then keep in mind it's not perfect, and you'll need to use your common sense when you're editing stuff. And 80 to 90% of what it does is great, so you just got to look out for the other 10 to 20%. And, ask follow-up questions, and like I said, you can even have it rewrite entire sections for you. But honestly, just doing that first feedback and doing the stuff that it tells you to do is going to make a huge, huge difference to your profile and save you a ton of time. So I'm going to give you this document and these prompts and wish you luck. Let me know how you get on with it, and hopefully this saves you a bunch of time and helps you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for more of these videos where I'm going to help you do more stuff to improve your results on LinkedIn. All right, take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.